Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming by. I'm Catherine, and today I have my first ever Glossy Box. Glossy Box is a $21 per month subscription, but my subscription addiction had a coupon that I used on the 30th or 31st of March, I think it's done now, that if you signed up, you got 3 months, and it ended up being only about $13 a month. Now, here's the catch. Because it wasn't the end of March, they've shipped my March box too. I just happened to get my April box first, but I know that I have a March box also on the way. So even though it will probably be a little late, I will probably unbox it. I will try and think of something clever to do with it when I unbox it. This is completely new to me. It's not a box I've ever tried, so I'm not sure how I'm supposed to open it. That seems to have done the trick. Okay, so I got it open. Inside, it's in another pretty pink box. We get so many samples in all of the boxes that we do, and for giveaways and all of the other things. I just love, this is even better than the Allure box was. It's so nice and sturdy. I love them for all of the samples that we get, or if I do giveaways or that kind of thing. I just love having these pretty boxes around. They're great storage boxes. And when you take the top off, the inside is tied with a ribbon. Mine kind of slid down. And there's a pamphlet right on top. And a little, it's so pretty. I will tell you, I thought that the April box from Glossy Box was supposed to be a green box. And mine is not green. So I'm wondering if this is even the April box. How am I to know that? Nope. This is the March box. I'm a genius. Okay, guys. I take back everything I said in the beginning. I thought this was the April box. Judging from the way my tracking was going, which means they sent my April box before the March box. I don't know. But what we have here is my nice March Glossy Box. So let's get in here and see what we've got. I already know what's in here because I've seen several of the March unboxings, and I will probably post this out of order because I have an Ipsy box to put up first, and if I happen to get the April box the next day or two, I may get that up so people can see what's in the April box in case they want to order it. But all right, back to this one. Okay, so that's how pretty the inside looks. And I remember, now that we're talking about the March box, I remember when I saw this, I'm doing my 250 quarter K giveaway, and you guys have been, I just feel so blessed. You guys have been so awesome that I went from 230 to like in the 280s in no time. It was astounding to me. And I had thought that I would have all the time in the world to put a giveaway together. So I've continued to be working on that, but I'm going to do it soon. I'm going to have to change the name of it because, you know, we're almost a third of a K giveaway because you guys are getting me there so quickly. And I feel so honored that you guys are watching this channel. All of that to say, I noticed that there were some things in here that I didn't think I would use. So I'm going to put them into the giveaway instead of swatching them. And this was one of them. This is the Downtown Paris highlighter. And it is a very golden highlighter. You can tell just by the bottom of it. There is no way that this will match with my skin. And it says that its featured value, the featured size is 20 ml and the featured value is $25. So they're saying this is full-sized? Okay, and then it has a $25 value. It says that it is a lightly powdered cream highlighter, and it offers a texture for easy application and lustrous finish. All those words are interesting to me. Powdered cream highlighter and texture for easy application. Extracted benefits from botanicals like the white horehound plant help protect against pollution and harmful effects of light from screens. A highlight should always be healthy. That's very interesting. Next we have, oh my goodness. It is, in here, the paper is the black squiggly, and it's covered. It's just covered in the shredded black paperness of it. but it is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask, and it is 2 full ounces. I am going to clean this up and also add this to the giveaway. I have had this in other boxes, and my hair is so fine and thin that I found it to be just a little too much for my hair, so there's no need in me even wasting any more of it. I will happily pass it along. And this says that it is a 2-ounce featured value of $14. It says that Briogeo is a female-founded brand brought to you by Nancy Twine. It says that it's safe for all types of treated hair, and it's a unique micro-encapsulated formula of argan oil, which helps restore the hair cuticle. Well, there you go. It says it's a $14 value. Let's see what else we've got in here. A Manna Kadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara. Very cool. I can always use more mascara. I do actually. I like trying new mascaras a lot. And we seem to keep getting them in our beauty boxes. And this is a pretty black one. Somebody just did this and it was gold. Must have been special for them. Maybe Boxycharm, I think. It's a nice twisted. It's got a really interesting feel to it. Let's just get in here and see what the brush looks like. It's interesting. It kind of goes in and out and in and out. I don't know if that'll translate. Let's see if I can, yeah, see how it's kind of, it's like it's got parts that are missing and interesting. Well, we will use this and see how it does. I liked the look of that brush. I prefer the ones that aren't hourglass shaped because I find the 2 ends to be a little thick, but I like that. And this says that it is a $29 value. Wow. The Cutting Edge Wand, see, we knew it was different, captures mascara between each individual groove of the ultra-dense fiber bristles and gives you the fullest, sexiest lashes imaginable. Imaginable also would be good. Okay, we have a Yenta Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see what the paper says. It says that it is a featured 7 ml size, and that's what this is, has a $15 value. By infusing superpowered ingredients, this lightweight primer helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. It has a satin sheen finish that gives the skin a radiant look and feel while minimizing the appearance of pores. It also gives evens skin texture for flawless application. Oh my goodness, I can't talk today. I'm taken all aback by the fact that I thought that this was a different box. Okay, there you go. Oh, and all through all of it, I have managed to chip my nail. All right, now I throw in the towel. Just kidding. This has got a safety seal on it, and I am so happy with the Touch and Soul No Problem that I'm going to leave the safety seal on this and add it to my giveaway too. Last but not least, true story. I have the huge Nuria Rescue Rebalancing Cleanser with Mandarin Orange, found in Japan. Very cool. I mean, this is a big box. This is 6.8 ounces. And that is a nice sized bottle of cleanser. That will last forever. Apply to wet face, massage gently, rinse well. Because they know you know how to wash your face. I'm just saying. It does say on the back, caution, contains an AHA. Use only as directed, avoid eye contact. Product skin contact should be limited. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. I'm not scared, you're scared. Product may increase skin sensitivity. Use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product. And for a week after, see carton for full sunburn alert. Holy Hannah Montana. That is a lot of warning for a cleanser. And all of that whoop, whoop, whoop around sensitive skin. And if you watch my channel at all and know nothing else about me, what you do know is that I have sensitive skin. I'm gonna give this a long thought. I might just set it aside and offer it to whoever wins the giveaway, because can't lie. I'm scared. They say that that lovely cleanser that will not harm you is a $26 value. It is designed to relieve and rebalance acne-prone skin. Not me. This multitasking cleanser uses the gentle astringency of mandarin orange extract. Rice water, which is rich in vitamin B and C, is used to promote daily skin firmness. It's the perfect everyday acne or no acne saver that properly maintains and cleanses the skin. Okay, so that is the end of my first March, not April, Glossy Box, where the only thing that I'm keeping is this nice Manna Kadar mascara. Now, in all fairness, this had like a $29 value. And I only spent $13 for the box because I had that nice coupon. So anyway, yeah, $29. So any way you look at it, I'm still a winner. That said, I think I'm going to put the rest of this in a giveaway, offer it around, that kind of thing. Because they're just... I'm scared of this now because of all of its warnings about sensitivity. I mean, that was like, hello, Catherine, don't use this. I have this nice Briogeo that I won't use, so I will put in the giveaway. The Downtown Paris, which is just not a good color for me. These are all about me. These aren't product rejects. These are Catherine rejects. My hair is too thin. It'll weigh it down. My skin is too sensitive. It'll make it irritated. This is not. This golden color, there's no way that works on my skin. And this Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow may be lovely, but I am so happy with my primer now that I might as well pass it along too. Okay, so that's where we are. Thank you so much, guys. I hope that that wasn't completely annoying since it was everything I thought it would not be. And please like and subscribe. I even feel a little guilty saying that after that video. Please like and subscribe. I would love to see you guys come back again. I promise I usually know way more about what I'm unboxing. And I would love to hear below, what do you think? Did you think that the warnings on this for a cleanser were a little scary? It was for me. But I do have this nice box and this nice Manna Kadar and plenty of things to give you guys, which I completely love because I appreciate everything you guys have done in being here. So I will see you again soon. Bye.